I remember when I was actually making the decision of getting this house. I was shooting for a film in Budapest and I saw the video from there and from there I decided to get this house. And it was really waiting to get here to actually experience being in this house. So guys, this is my living room. So I define my living room as a time traveling room because there are different stories here, condensed in different forms, talking about different history, future, everything. These pictures here are very interesting, fascinating, ancient pictures. And if you look closely into any other picture, it actually tells you a completely old, fascinating story. Guys, let me take you to a room where I actually think. Come. मेरे पास बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग गुफ्तगू करने के लिए राइटर्स हैं जिन्होंने कुछ लिख दिए तो मैं पढ़ता रहता हूँ उनसे बात करता रहता हूँ. This is the study table and I like yellow. I love yellow. And that's why I wanted my study table to be yellow. And by the way, this is my time machine. This is the telescope called Miyari 600. And you can see Saturn rings, Jupiter moons, and actually different galaxies, Andromeda also, when the sky is clear. फज है जो मैं कैसा भी रहूँ वो मुझे एक जैसा ही ट्रीट करता है तो फॉरएवरनेस की जो फीलिंग है वो रहती है इसके साथ. I remember when I was in like 3rd or 4th grade and we used to get these miniature cars in Noodles Man and I got this Maserati, so I wanted to buy that car and finally got that car. So yeah, same color, blue. Well, it's still, the miniature is still with me and it still is very precious. So guys, let me take you over the moon, both literally and metaphorically. Are you ready? Those are the pictures from NASA, actually. So this is when I visited. I got myself a uniform, by the way. I always wanted to be an astronaut. And then I talked myself into becoming a pilot. Then I said, okay, engineer. And then I was confused, so I thought that let's be an actor and be everything. So this is the first dream. So one thing that I always dreamt to have at my place was a projector. Everything that I really like watching, playing, so I always wanted to buy this and I got myself this. This car, when I was thinking of doing the interior design of this place, so it was a mix of everything. So it wasn't to follow one, अच्छा इस तरीके का घर होना चाहिए ऐसा pattern follow करना है. जिस तरीके से मेरे दिमाग में thoughts आते रहते हैं, if you look around you get a feel of it. The kind of concoction is there in my mind. It's out there because it's just nothing, but yeah, it also everything. इस घर में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो जुगाड़ से बनी हैं, बहुत पुरानी हैं और जोड़ के तोड़ के बनाई गई. तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ऐसी चीज़ें जो जैसे मैं खुद भी मेरा करियर भी बड़ा जोड़ तोड़ के बनाया हुआ है तो मैं बहुत रिलेट कर सकता हूँ.